So imagine my dilemma. I've just given you a whole series on how to develop for the SharePoint framework, and for the last 10 years, nothing has changed with the build stack, and now they replace Gulp with HEFT. Is everything you've learnt completely wasted? Absolutely not. Let's dive straight in. So all that's changed from 1.22 of the SharePoint framework onward is they've replaced Gulp, if you remember the task runner, with HEFT. So what we're going to do is just look at a few commands that have swapped over. So for example, do you remember we used to trust the dev certificate by typing gulp trust dev cert, as it's helping me there in Visual Studio Code? Well, now all we need to do is type HEFT trust dev cert and it will go off and do it. Whereas we used to do gulp build, we now need to just do HEFT build, and also some other commands have changed. But to make it even simpler for us, if you look at package.json, you'll see there's some scripts that if you were to do an npm build, it would clean it and then it would package the solution. If you were to do clean, it would do HEFT clean for you. And if you wanted to do start, it would run HEFT start clean for you. So far simpler than just running HEFT. You now can do npm start and it will now build, clean it and start it for you. If I want to build it, it will also package it automatically for you. And if I do npm run build, and now with one command, when you open it up, you'll see it's packaged it for you so you can release it to production. So in conclusion, if you're using a SharePoint framework version before 1.22, continue to use Gulp, just as I showed in the series. But if you're using 1.22 or above, use HEFT. And you can easily do this by running npm run start instead of gulp serve, npm run build instead of all the gulp bundling and gulp packaging. And you can also do npm run clean instead of gulp clean. And also don't forget that if you're using 1.22 or above, then you need to use node 22. So continue to enjoy the series as you have done before, and that's the only change if you're using 1.22 or above. I'll see you next time.